What's up guys, welcome to 58 Ruby tutorial. This is again Sriyank from Smartherd. Now if you are having any doubts regarding any tutorial or anything else you want to know about Ruby, then feel free to ask me in the discussion forum of YouTube. I will definitely reply. Now in this tutorial I am going to talk about procs and its ARITY method, what this ARITY method stands for and how to utilize it in our programs. Now let's move forward. Let's start our coding using Aptena Studio. Here I am using the Aptena Studio 3. Now first of all, let me introduce you what is actually ARITY method in procs. Now this method actually allows us to find out how many arguments a proc object expects to receive. Suppose proc object is having a block, and inside the block we are having what? We are having few variables. So how many variables are actually there and how many parameters, how many values we are actually expected to pass using the proc object.call method. So in that case, ARITY method allow us to find out how many arguments are actually there in the proc object so that we can avoid our errors in our programs. Now let us initialize our proc object. My_proc equal to, let's say, proc.new. Let us define our block using the bars. Let's define a one variable only. Let's again write shrieks. Let's give a space here to make it look cool. Asterisk x, right? Now let us write puts. Hey bro, I need, let's use interpolation, my_proc.arity, right? Arguments like this. Now this myproc.arity is actually going to return what? How many variables are inside the proc object, that is myproc. So here I am having one variable, so I need one arguments. Like this it is going to give the output. Let's check it out. Yeah, hey bro, I need one argument, so please send me one argument inside it. Now as you know, we can send our variable like this, values like this, proc.call, right? Let's say here, let's print my name 5 times. Yeah, let's save it and execute it. Yeah, hey bro, I need one argument, shrieks 5 times. Yeah, cool. Now let's erase it. None of our requirements now. Now let's add a variable here. Let's say y. Let's say asterisk x plus y, like this. Pretty cool. Now let's save it and execute it. Hey bro, I need 2 arguments. I just added y here, that is why x and y becomes 2 arguments here inside the proc object, that is within the block, like this. Now let's, instead of y, let's write rest, asterisk rest, that is it can hold arbitrary number of values or arguments, whatever, because it is acting like an array. Now let's edit it also. Let's say shrieks, interpolation x, oops, what I'm doing, x and interpolation rest, like this. Yeah, now let's just save it and execute it. Hey bro, I need -2 argument. Now what the heck, why it is showing -2? I'm just having 2 variables here. This is because this minus sign indicates that inside the proc object we are having a variable which is having what? Which can expect large number of arguments. So using the proc object.call method we can send a large number of values, and that will be acceptable by this rest variable, because this is actually acting as an array here. That is why we are getting a negative number. Now what is the remedy of this if I don't want -2 here? What is the remedy of this? There is a one remedy, guys. We just have to write what? We just have to use this operator. This operator is found below the escape button like this, and rest are optional. Yeah, let's save it and execute it. Hey bro, I need just one arguments and rest are optional. Even if we don't send the values for the rest variable, then also our program won't give any error, because this is an array can be empty. So compulsory sending the parameter is 1, and we can leave this rest variable blank. So hey bro, I need one argument compulsorily and rest are actually optional. So this was all about ARITY method, guys. Nothing much about it. It is quite simple and easy to use also. So catch you guys in next tutorial. This is again Sriyank from Smartherd signing off, and if you like what you saw, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.